Hey guys, so today I'm here with my sister and we are going to be dyeing her hair. Basically, there's a process to this to get to that ash blonde shade that she wants. So we will have to bleach her hair and then dye the shade that she really wants to achieve on her hair. Okay, so when I was mixing the bleach, I realized that the bleach solution can't really fit my sister's whole hair since her hair is super thick. So I told her that we should just stop and not continue at this point. But she said that she at least wanted the bottom part of her hair to be bleached and lightened. So when I was applying it, I told her that it still won't fit, even if we bleach her end. So this is what happened next. You guys, there's a lot of changes in the plan. My sister now wants an ombre on her hair and I don't know how to do it. Okay, well, we'll just experiment. This is gonna be an experiment.
And then let's wash it just to lift the color na lang.
Okay. Di ba yung pag-ombre, it's just here? Though no, it's not a balayage, right? Though parang may cascade siya. The transition has to be though. Very smooth. So when I'm oh my god, you honestly trust me to do it?
Actually, I don't.
Oh my god! Then why are we doing this?
Because just in case something happens, so you're just gonna like let me go to someone anyway.
That's why I told you I don't want to do this anymore. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just going to be led.
Be led with the spirit.
It's gonna be led by the spirit because right now, your sis doesn't know what to do. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we came to this point right here, and I think y'all know what this is going to be like, right? We're gonna set it to 30 minutes lang. We're just gonna set it to 30 minutes.
Usually, how long does it take to bleach your hair?
It's an hour, but I want to be like playing it safe, and I'm just gonna go for 30 minutes, okay? Because we just want to get somewhat of a highlight instead of like a dead bleaching. So that's it. We'll come back after 30 minutes. And then show you guys. Alright you guys, so this is what we came up with right here. That's what it looks like. It's not dry yet, so we have to dry it in order for us to see the full-on result of it. And the thing is, we don't have toner, so we're just gonna wing it. We're just gonna be winging this, okay? Wing. But we're still gonna dye her whole hair because she doesn't necessarily want that shade. She wants that ash blonde shade on her hair. Okay guys, so this is the result of it. Now this is not the final look since my sister doesn't really like the brassy orangey tone on her hair, so we will need to bleach it again, but we had to wait for 2 weeks before applying bleach. But so far this is what it looks like. Alright you guys, so I'm here at my sister's place and this is the second time that we are going to bleach her hair, and this is what it looks like at the moment. And at first I wasn't really looking that much at tutorials, but I mean that's not bad, but that's not really that good either. So we will we will be fixing it though. We'll make it kind of better because now we've been watching tutorials. This is the second and the last time that we're going to be bleaching her hair. So we had to let her hair rest for 2 weeks, and then we did this, and during those 2 weeks I told my sister to constantly deep condition her hair, use conditioner. I gave you the serum.
Serum, yes.
That she can put on her hair every single day to maintain the hair and all. So as you guys can see, even though her hair was bleached, it's not bad. Okay, it's not bad. And also I told her to buy a purple shampoo so that at least the color is going to be preserved. Okay, so once again, I'm actually going to start on the bottom part of my sister's hair and move the color up a bit right here. And one thing as well is that the bleach that we're using is not actually that good. I mean, like, it doesn't spread well. Onto this section right here. So now we're done with the bottom part. We're gonna move to the upper portion. Okay, you guys, so we are done. Right now, that's a lot of layers and foiling on my sister's hair, and we will be rinsing the lower part first. Okay. You look so funny. You look like the foiled woman. I'm gonna be using all of their conditioner on my sister's hair. So we just let the conditioner marinate on my sister's hair. Alright, you guys, so this is the result of the second bleaching of them hair. This is not the final look yet, but we are going to be dyeing her hair then with the real shade that she wants. Alright, you guys, so it's time to dye my sister's hair with the shade that she really wants. And oh wait, let's adjust that. So here is all of the solution. I know it's a lot, but because my sister's hair is very thick, so that's exactly why we're doing that. And by the way, we are using the box dye. So if you are a hairdresser, I know that your cringe mode is probably up to level 1000 at this point, but yes. Right, so in here I'm using the color Ash Blonde on my sister's hair. This is her desired hair color here. So I started on top and just avoided her roots first, and I also did it by section just to make sure that I did not miss any parts of her hair. So that's what it looks like right now. And then after I coated her whole hair, I then touched up on her roots. So that's it.
I'm hoping for the best.
She's hoping for the best. Guys! So this is what it looks like right now. It can you turn your head to the side here, Manalor? See, that's what it looks like from right there. It's actually cute. It's not it's not what we've expected it to look. Cause like if you see the roots right here, that's another color. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And in here, I feel like it's a bit far from the color.
I actually have a tri-colored hair.
We will have a part 2, Manalor. This is just episode 1 because we're not gonna stop from there. We're not gonna leave her hair looking like that. We're gonna fix it. Okay. What are your thoughts about this whole experimental thing?
Well, actually, it was cool because, you know, I really wanted this blondie hair for a really, really long time. Mm-hmm. And some parts of it, I like the color of it. Some is, I really am not really...
She's not fond of it.
Yeah, but somehow I didn't regret it. Mm-hmm. You know, at least I tried. At least we tried. You know, this is just you know, my hair, but this is just hair. It's gonna grow anyway. Mm-hmm. Yeah, at least I know. And actually, I'm really happy that at least, you know, I can carry this kind of shade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, blonde suits you.
Really?
Yeah. Like in your skin tone, like it complements like the lighter hair.
We're not that professional when it comes you know, to, I know, this is just an experiment, and also one lesson that, you know, we learned that to really use a good bleach product.
Yeah, and to leave it to the professionals.
To the professionals.
Yeah. As my sister have said, this has been a great experiment. We're not gonna do this again, I promise you.
But it's fun, okay? It's fun.
Yeah.
It's actually we've been through a lot this process, but it's an experience and
Yeah.
not that bad, right? The color is not that bad. Just don't
Yeah.
look up. Just don't.
Anyway,
Yeah.
there's gonna be an episode 2 on this, and there are definitely going to be a lot of hair care for people who have bleached their hair or who have dyed their hair and all that. It could be DIYs, or I could recommend some product. I'm gonna make it to a point that your hair is going to be healthy even though you bleached it and colored it. The hair care team that I've made for her really suit her hair, actually saved her hair and ends. So that's it. There's gonna be a session with my sister now on her getting her hair healthy. Probably like if Brad Mondo watches this video, he's going to like roast us. Like,
You girls.
I'm embarrassed already. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all like this video and have learned a lesson or two not to mess around with your hair. And I will see you, actually we will see you again for episode 2 on my sister's hair. Alright, bye!